everybody. Good morning, everyone. Hello. Okay. So, everyone, you all can see me very clearly. Okay. Let us see what we are going to study today. So, this is the time when the exams are coming, right? And we are feeling so scared here, right? We are feeling so afraid that what we are going to write in exam, how to learn it, and how to do it. Okay. So here I had brought you the solution. That do you know that you used to study the 10 hours and you are going to just cover the one with just a single subject. Just a single subject. So here I had brought you the good and great learning tips which will help you to understand your chapters easily and you can cover the more topics in less time. Okay everyone, so what you have to do, you have to quickly like this session, subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever we are coming live or whenever we are posting our videos. Okay everybody, let us see that what we are going to cover. Okay, so first of all, listen, do you know that in today's video we will understand कि in the 1 hour we will cover the one of the chapter. As it is a big, approximately it will take a 1.5 hours, but not more than that. Okay, now let's see this. So the first thing which I'm going to tell you, that you have to analyze the chapters. Now, when the exams comes near and near, what you used to do, you used to learn the chapters, you used to read the chapters, and what you are going to do means you are thinking that what is a shortcut for doing this, or what is a shortcut for doing something. Okay, so let me tell you that in studies, no shortcuts are allowed. Okay, no cheatings, no shortcuts are allowed, because if you are going to take a shortcut, this will help you, this is not going to help you. Okay, so in just first 10 minutes you are going to analyze the chapter. Now analyze chapter here means you can read the chapter, or you can, whatever the notes you have made, you can read it. Okay, the notes which you have made for particular chapter, then you can read it, or you can read the chapter in just a 10 minutes. Okay, in just a 10 minutes. Okay, and the second step is to learn the chapter in just these 20 minutes. Okay, I can take the maximum, I told you about 10 minutes, but approximately up till I have taken the minimum I told you the 10 minutes, but a maximum I'm telling you the 20 minutes. Okay, so you have to learn that chapter in just a 20 minutes. Okay, in just a 20 minutes you have to learn that chapter what you have read, and it's so easy to learn because when you are reading the chapter, it's so easy to learn also. Okay, the third is to take a break. Now, after reading and after learning, what you have to do, you have to take a break. Now, every time the breaks are so much important, and what to do in this time of the break? In that the time of the break, you have to eat the dry fruits. Okay, you can eat the dry fruits, that such as almonds, cashews, or you can eat the biscuits. Okay, yeah, you can also eat the chips, but which is of the homemade. Okay, now in this time, this 5 minute break, you are not going to even have touch a mobile, or you're not going to see the mobile, because if you're going to see or touch the mobile, what will happen, you will get the attraction in that, because the mobiles have an attraction. Okay, you will get the attraction to them, in them, and next, if you are taking that in just 5 minutes I will use the mobile, after that I will study. So the 5 minutes to 10 minutes, 10 minutes to 20 minutes to half an hour, and this is how 1 hour will go, and you will be using the mobile, and then after that you will realize, oh shit, I had used the mobile. No. So this will not be happen. So in this 5 minutes break, you are not going to even touch a mobile. Okay, you are not going to touch a mobile. You are just going to take a break for eating purpose. And in exam days, I will tell you, I will surely recommend that don't use the mobile's phone. Okay, you can use, but in just 5 to 3 minutes, not more than that. Okay, if a study purpose is there, then only. Okay, now the third, and this is the time for the 15 minutes to strengthen yourselves. Now let me tell you here, to strengthen yourself means, okay, try to strengthen yourself. So here what I used to say, when you have to strengthen yourself, now what you have to do now, in this strengthen times, what you're going to do, you have to read the flashcards which you all have made. Second, firstly, second, you can solve the test papers which had been of the previous year papers. Now I'm telling you for the all the classes, not just for the one class. I'm telling you for the all the classes, and you can follow. You have to solve the previous year test papers so that you will get notified what type of questions are going to come in this yearly exams, and the important question can also be discussed. Okay, everyone, clear everybody? Okay. And next we are having just 10 minutes. We are going to have a quick recap. Then you will be having the quick recap, because after picking the quick recap, what will happen, that all the things that you have studied in the today's day, got the just 1 hour, you will get to remember that, and you are not going to forget. You are not going to forget that. Okay, so let us see total time taken. What is it? Okay, so here is the time. Now, first of all, we will have the 10 minutes analyzing chapters. Second, we will having a 20 minutes to learn the chapter. Just a 5 minutes for taking a break. Just 15 minutes to strengthen our chapters. And in just 10 minutes, we are going to do the quick recap. Okay, everyone, this is so much important. Okay, I recommend for all the students and everyone. Okay, now, okay, I will tell you what to do. Now, during exam times, what's happened, or every day, I tell you, every day, first of all, I will tell you that you should have your regular study. Means you should have the regular study purpose. Okay, now listen very carefully. If you are having a books with yourself, pencil rubbers you are having with yourselves, now all the study material that you have, just collect in just once. That means that you have to collect all these things at once. Okay, now you had to not go there and there and come and take. No, this should not happen. Okay, because it's so important. Okay, now listen very carefully. You have to gather all your study material, and you should not get up and go on Mila and take it out. No, this should not be happening, because then only your concentration will be there. You will say, oh shit, I had left my scale there, let's bring it. I have left my scissor there, let's bring it. Okay, so this should not happen. Okay, you have to take all the things, the study material that you can. Okay, everyone, let us see next. Now, you have to sit at a well-lit place. Now, what's happened, that you should have your proper table and proper chair with a proper light. Okay, now, why we are having a proper light? Okay, so our mind is full of light. Means not full of, it understands the light products. Means whenever we are having the place with a light, and the mind gets what it gets, the all the comfortable things, and it can easily learn. Okay, so our mind is so lightable thing. Okay, now you have to sit with the lightful place, because if you are going to sit at the dark place, what will happen, you will get the distraction in your mind. Okay, that's why you have to sit on the lightful place. Okay. Now, what happened next? Now you have to change your places. Now if you are sitting on the one place every day, you will be getting bored. Okay, so you don't have to sit on the same place every day. It's so important. Okay, now and the thing is, eat. Now whenever you are getting a break, okay, whenever you are getting a break, try to eat, because if you are eating, then you are always getting a concentration at something. Concentration you are having. Okay, so then also you have to drink a water to keep yourself hydrated. Now whenever you are drinking a water, sometimes what's happened, we could not understand the questions. What we used to do, we used to drink the water and we get cool down. Okay, after cooling down, what's happened, our mind gets thinking that we should do this, and now then also that you are going to get the the answers of that questions. Okay, now next thing is about the teach your friends technique. Do you know what it is? I know that every student had followed this, a teach your friends technique. Okay, so teach your friend techniques involves all the understanding concepts. Now, why we used to follow teach your friends technique? Let me tell you that. Now, if you are explaining the person, then you yourself explain very betterfully. Yeah, this happens. Okay, so okay, everyone, clear? Now, next last thing is that you have to solve the test papers each and every time. I'm telling you, this is very important for the examiners. Okay, everyone. Now, so up till here, what we studied that you have to manage the times, and during this time you have to do these all things. Okay. So I know that you might be have this video helpful. So that's all my video. Till then, bye everyone, thank you. So it might be helpful for you all, because this is your timetable for every classes, for every and every for the examiners most. Okay, and you should follow the regular timetable. No need of shortcuts, no need of any of the more heavy things in your life. Okay, so I hope you are in home, you are stay safe. So till then everyone, bye, thank you very much, thank you.